Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Roblox. You got the error, you must update it fast. The upgrade button will take you to the store and then you need to update, or it is forcing you to update the Roblox as you are not able to inject or exploit. Let's fix it guys. In order to bypass, you need to download a earlier version of Roblox. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down under the assets, click on this and download the program. After getting download done, you just need to run the file guys. Now if you already installed Roblox, then you just need to select reinstall. If you not installed on your PC, then you can able to see the option in here, install option. Click on the option and install it. In my case, I already installed it before, that's why I'm gonna reinstall it. Now you launch the Roblox, you still got the error guys. You need to download another app with the name of Fiddler. You just need to check my video description for this website link used in my video. You just need to scroll down and click on the download for Windows option. Just full it over here. After giving information, so you just need to select the download for Windows. Just click on verify. After getting download done fiddler, you just need to install the fiddler guys. Click on I agree, install. After installing the fiddler, you just need to launch the fiddler. Click on open the fiddler classic. Now you just need to select cancel over here. Select the tools tab over here and select options. Select HTTPS and decrypt HTTPS traffic. Check mark it. Select OK. Now after doing this, you just need to select the win config. Select yes. Now in here you just need to search for Roblox. You just need to check mark this Roblox over here guys. After doing this, select save changes option over here. After doing this, close it off here. Now you just need to select auto responder. In here you just need to enable all these options guys. Check mark all these options in here, and after doing this, select add role. Now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Just need to copy this link using Ctrl C and paste with Ctrl V. After pasting it, you just need to go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this code used in my video. You just need to copy it and paste it in the notepad we just opened it. You just need to select file and select save. Now save it to the desktop or any other location you want it. Name it as Roblox script. Click on save, and after doing this, close it off here. So in order to save the path, you need to copy the path of this file script guys. To do this, you just need to right click on the Roblox script and select properties. Just copy this file path over here, and after copying it, you just need to go back to Fiddler app and paste in here in the second row. And after that, you just need to type here slash and the name of the file. You just need to type it or just select it. We just named as Roblox script dot text file. That's why I'm gonna save it as Roblox script dot text. Now you just need to select save to save changes. Now you are ready to play the game guys. This will completely fix the issue of Roblox. You just need to select the launch option and play guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.